Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on this sign down here. When you just click here on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, you come to next here. Then you click here on theme. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on plug here. When you just click here on plug, then here automatically here. So just to change video here, then automatically it's going to change video to dark mode. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.